Hey, nature walks over, okay? We got it done. We made it through, just barely. And this wasn't a competition about knowing events ahead of time or training for them or, I don't know, even keeping score accurately. Fuck me, dude. Oh my God, this is gonna be a fucking disaster. It certainly wasn't a competition about weighing in. Oh, the first event. Oh, the weight cut, it's the first event. So what are we doing back here? Why don't we know who the winner is yet? That's a great question, and I'm glad you asked. And I will tell you if you'd like just give me a second. Ow, fuck! It went down weird. Oh, come on. Well, you guys are going to be doing a fan favorite vote. It's an extra 150 points because I figure these guys worked so hard. Why not fuck all their points up by letting you guys, you know, fuck all their points up? Where's a towel? Can I get a fucking towel? Well, why don't we just start at the top and go boy by beautiful boy, starting with none other than Dean McVie. Dean McVie, oh Dean McVie. What is there to say about Dean McVie that he hasn't already said about himself? Well, you wouldn't know since you guys can't seem to understand a single word he says. Well, see if you can understand this.
Forget about it.
Get that camera out, please.
Nicely done, Dean.
What?
Dad, come on.
The taxman's taken all my dough and left me in my stately home.
That's it, boy.
Blazing on a sunny afternoon.
I took part of it. I done it.
Loser.
He's taken
Get the hell out of here.
everything I got. All I've got's
Oh,
a
dear.
sunny afternoon.
Fucking weird.
Save me, save me, save
I won't be
me.
one strongest man under one day. My word.
I got a big
Get that camera out of my face, man. You think strongest man on the night for a fucking reason.
and I love to live so pleasant.
Josh Kovalevsky. That's right, you've been saying his name wrong this entire time. But to hear you people talk about him, you'd think he was just a head of hair. His hair, his hair, his hair. We get it. It's hair.
This is a gravy.
Were you looking at my dick? Were you looking at my dick?
Oh, sure.
See, Alice didn't work at all.
Next time on Nature Walk UK.
So that was the first time anything went in my butt, actually.
I felt like shit. I feel really cool now, but I felt terrible.
Finlay Mercer. He's mystical. He's magical. He's probably on another astral plane tripping on mushrooms right now, seeing the other side of the universe. Did you know that the Scots invented fried chicken? You can look it up.
Come on,
Jesus Christ.
Look at it. Come on, yes.
Hey, where did we go? Days when the rains came down in the hollow,
That was fun.
playing a new game, laughing and running, hey, skipping and a
I'm
jumping
like so fucking high.
in the misty morning fog with
Not too much.
Come on, hearts that thumping and you,
Oh, shit.
brown-eyed girl. You, my brown-eyed girl. And whatever happened?
I need some hugs.
The guys called him fat all week, but even at a 140-point deficit to start the competition, he still didn't finish last. Wait, no, he did. I think he did finish last, actually. Well, maybe not if he wins this, so Vote for Zach. You can eat it. Oh my God.
And all the girlies say I'm pretty fly for a white guy.
If I'm gonna suck, I better be entertaining.
1,000 apologies, my lord.
To get along today, our subject is but he thinks it anyway. He may not have a clue and he may not have style.
Actually, my brain's completely fucked. I'm just, yeah, like otherwise I feel fine. I know those bricks are not that fucking orange. But they look really fucking orange.
Hell yeah. Big Z! Big Z! Let's fucking go.
Kyle Scott. He's only got one arm. He's got pink hair. Ooh, and he's natty.
Let's go.
I honestly, like, is there some way I could just fucking...
Come on. I'm going out tonight. I'm feeling alright. Gonna let it all.
I guess it's okay to take a minute to, you know, let yourself be frustrated with it, you know what I mean? Which is what I'm doing at the moment, so. I need to figure it out. I need to figure it out now. You know? I'm just trying to process what I can do to get the most out of myself in my current state.
Come on, Kyle. Finish it, come on.
I'll never do that again. I'll never do that again. Never so good.
Did you people even notice in episode 4 on Dean's Husafell run that the song I chose to use has lyrics that say, "Do I look rich?" Because Dean goes like 1 foot past where Rich went on the Husafell run? Yeah, I didn't think so. But you know who did? Rich.
Spit your mouth to wash it out. Come on, come on.
Welcome to Nature Walk UK.
I just got to chop that hog, you know, really well experienced, you know, practiced every day for this. So, yeah, I feel like I've never practiced on one this big before.
And last but certainly not least, Jacob. Josh may have called him just a scorekeeper, but, you know, to me, well, no, he was just a scorekeeper, but, you know, he did really good. And why not put him in this? Like, I think he should be in this. You know, like, what's the big deal?
150 points richer.
What did you watch?
Kimmy Granger likes it rough.
Oh, he just blended in like a competitor. I didn't even see. Yeah, we got a little thing going.
Oh my God.
There we go.
Yeah.
What a cunt.
Let me go on, like I glister in the sun. Let me go on. Big hands, I know you're the one. Yeah. Beats, I stay my sheets.
Keep going. Keep going.
Fuck. 75 kg.
Yeah. Well, that's it. nothing left to do now but vote. So just comment your favorite athlete's name and they get a vote. Person with the most votes wins. Boom, done, easy. But with so many people to choose from, who will I choose? I can't just choose one. Well, don't just choose one. Fucking vote one for each and cancel all their votes out, and like it'll be fucking hilarious. Or like vote for everybody twice, but then like vote for your favorite person 3 times, because you can vote as many times as you want. You can vote 1,000 times. Dude, do 1,000. Do 1,000. Comment 1,000 times. Yeah, comment 1,000 times. All right, yeah, peace.